This old rotavator is probably about as old as I am. Has a Briggs and Stratton engine. These things are really solid. It had, for some reason I don't understand, two-stroke fuel oil mix inside the petrol tank, which it really didn't like. After a few minutes, it conked out with smoke and everything. So I've taken the carburettor apart. It was a really weird thing with like a membrane inside, not a float, and I've cleaned it all up. So let's crank it a few times on stop, get the fuel into the system. Right, put it on choke, and here goes. Nice. Got a rotavator that works now.